is fogging up. Is my phone ringing every time I try to do a video? I'm guessing. Maybe that means just turn your video off. Full disclaimer, this is a chatty video, but I promise it's worth it. If you need some motivation, listen to this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you're interested, keep watching. Don't record, I don't know. But I decided I haven't vlogged in a while. So check out my wig right there. I have a personal wig maker, my cousin. Shout out to you, girl. But I haven't vlogged in a while, and I wanted to vlog basically just what I do to maintain this sweet space. So I don't know, last time I don't think I had this shelf in here. I finally put this up. This is a makeshift product shelf, for products and t-shirts and merch and snacks for the clients and water for hydration and all of that in between. So basically, literally, I'm about to just sit up here. It's like 10 o'clock at night. No, I am not the only one up here. This is 24-hour access. All of us have access to this sweet space. Well, to our personal sweet space. However, whatever time, however long, whatever day. No, you cannot come in past 9 p.m. The door will be locked, so somebody will have to let you in. Don't just think you can come up here and be kicking it and hanging it, because that ain't the case. But there's so many people here tonight, and I'm so surprised. Granted, I don't really be up here this late, because I be trying to get home. But because I don't come in till later tomorrow, that means I can sleep in if I just do this stuff tonight, get it over with. So I finally went to Sam's Club and stocked up on things that I need to maintain this sweet space and maintain having like snacks and all that stuff, all that good stuff. The water. I got granola bars because who don't like granola bars in the morning? You know what I mean? Who don't like granola bars? I got some chocolate. I don't know why. It's like when you go to pick up candy, like candy, do you pick up sweet and tangy, or do you pick up milk chocolate? I just automatically assume chocolate. Probably shouldn't have got that, because I just watched a video about the fact that sugar is bad and it's literally like a drug, and we are all addicted to it, and we shouldn't do it. But I just bought a 30-pack of full-size candy bars. Why did I do that? That's me. I literally do stuff and be like, why did I do that? $20 for what? I guess I still got my receipt. I could return it and get like some trail mix, huh? I got some goldfish. Goldfish always hit a bang, honestly. I usually keep Cheez-Its, but since I always have Cheez-Its, switch it up. It's either Cheez-Its or Goldfish. Goldfish are always just so good to me. Like, and I think people enjoy Goldfish because, like, you don't go for a pack of Goldfish in the corner store or when you're looking for a snack. But when you sitting to get your hair braided, them Goldfish gonna hit different. And then I got Skinny Pop. This is really good. This is a great alternative. I mean, instead of chips, Skinny Pop, and it's good. So I think my clients would appreciate that. And it's only 80 calories. One is 110 calories. Oh, that's a sweet and salty one. And then the other one's is 80 calories. And then I have a coffee maker. I'm a coffee drinker, so I normally have a cup of coffee. It's not every morning, like every other morning or every couple of mornings, because I'm a coffee drinker. I could try to deny it, but and then gotta get the coffee creamers. I got me some green tea, blueberry slim life. I seen somebody post that this was a good alternative. I have the detox one up in here, and I also have like some Tivana one. But the detox one, I'm kind of tired of that one. Because sometimes I'll drink coffee, sometimes like throughout my day. Like if I'm here for a full day, I'll drink a cup of tea, I'll drink a cup of coffee, you know, interchange it. So I got that. This is just for me, really, personally. I got my good old sweetener. That's a really good sweetener. It's like, you just kind of gotta wing it with the shit that you buy, because I promise I got off I got off sugar. And then if you realize, like, sweetener actually is sweeter than sugar to me, personally. Like, sugar don't really, you have to add a lot of sugar to, like, actually feel like something is sweet, I feel like. So yeah, so basically, this is gonna be a merch product, display snack space, and then like my coffee maker and stuff like that is right here. Coffee maker is right here, with my little tray. I put the cheeses in there. I forgot I had these over here. And yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I'm actually about to call my sister on there, figure out this stuff right here. So I'll see you in just a second. Getting ready to wrap things up. Only thing I have left to do is to clean my chair, and that's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed my little cleaning, organizing situation. I still have to add a few things on my shelf over here, but I did get my snacks in order. I just have to say, like, after cleaning the end of the day, after cleaning the end of my day and just being able to, like, be in my space by myself and just appreciate the space I've set to work in, like, I really get to work here every day. Like, I really get to make this my job, like my career. Like, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. This is a moment of gratitude and showing appreciation to myself, shit, because I work really hard and I really do push myself to keep going every day, even though shit is not perfect, shit is not where I necessarily want it to be, whatever that means. But for real, things don't be exactly how you envision it, but things can be very, very close to how you envision it, and you can really, like, manifest everything you want to manifest. It's just crazy. It's not crazy, it's just, it's almost like surreal kinda. But I just have to like, I gotta give myself credit where credit is due. I give other people credit where credit is due. I'm giving myself credit right now. Take it up with your mom if you feel away, but I know y'all probably won't. But it's like, this is lit. This is dope. This is lit. And like, I don't know. I'll do more videos though, talking in depth and just like basically motivating you if you need motivation. Let me be your motivation though, that like, even though things seem a little shaky, a little rocky, it's just looking real inconsistent. It's looking real questionable at some moments. Things work out. All things work out for your good. All things happen and it's perfect timing. All things happen when you are ready for things to shift and when you are ready to receive change, and when you are ready to elevate, when you are ready to elevate to a higher level, to a new level, you have to be in that position to be able to elevate. Like literally, simple as that. You have to put yourself. I'm gonna do more videos though, just like really giving y'all the tea. The good and the bad, honestly, because I mean, shit, you gotta have good with the bad, you gotta have the bad with the good. It balances out. That's what makes things work. And before my husband called, listen, shit gonna happen when it's supposed to happen, and it's gonna happen how it's supposed to happen. And we are like not the controllers of this destiny. Like, we can manifest some things, we can speak some things into existence, we can experience some experiences that we really want to experience, but essentially all we can really be responsible for though is ourselves, our actions, our reactions, our encounters with people, situations, and it's just you gotta master yourself. You gotta master what it is that you believe in. You have to master your patience, your attitude. You have to master the shit just life throw at you. You have to master your emotions. Like, I don't know, I'm rambling, kind of got a headache. I think it's literally because between the mask, the clean air, the moving, I ain't drank that much water honestly today. It's rough, but I'm basically done. Like I said this in another video, I was gonna do a salon tour, so I have yet to do that because I do want my husband to film it and just like really make it a vibe for me. But I'm gonna just give y'all like a little sneak peek of what I see every time that I walk into my suite and every time that I walk out of my suite. And honestly, it just really, it gives me a lot of joy. I ain't gonna lie, because damn, I did that. I did this. I really did. I did this. Like, me 4 years ago, me 2 years ago, shit, me 1 year ago, I probably would have just been like, really? But this is where I ended up. This is where I'm at right now in my journey. I seen myself here at a point in time. I didn't know how I was gonna make it here, but I'm here. Like, I was doing my client the other day and I'm just thinking like, wow, I'm really a stylist that is booked. People book me. I appreciate y'all. Like, I am able to carry myself and I am able to take care of myself and I am able to get the things that I want. I am able to pay the bills that I need to pay by doing something I love, doing something I want to do. That's crazy. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning, and I'm grateful. So this memory is just to remind myself, like, dang. And I also have a video. I think maybe I'll do that. I think my next video is going to be just basically a transformation of where I was and where I am now, because I was in my house. Not to say I didn't love being at my house, because I really loved being at home. I was quarantine queen before y'all even got introduced to this. I want y'all to know that. I was quarantine queen. I was a quarantine pro. So when quarantine happened, honey, I was in my element. I was a little nervous at first, but I was in my element because I love being home. I'm a homebody. I'm a Cancer, if that lets you know anything. Just wanted to throw that out there. But quarantine. Anyway, I'm gonna do a video though because I filmed right before I took everything out of my space. Just to have that and just to remember, like, dang, I love this space. Like, wow, this is my transition. This is where I started. This is where I'm going. You know, this is where like, it's awesome now just seeing like your growth and just visually being able to go back and just like reminisce and just remember and appreciate. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm done here. I'm gonna try to start filming more. I've been doing a lot of the same styles. I've been doing more natural hair now though. I'm not gonna lie, it just depends on my day. I don't necessarily want to do all of that moving and like time, like setting up the camera when I'm with clients, because I don't want that to like impact on their service time and just like be an inconvenience for them. However, I am gonna start filming more. Again, I say that all the time, but I have a lot of content I want to get out to y'all. I have a lot of content and a lot of shit I want to talk and just the stories I want to tell and just different things. I have a lot of stuff I want to just get out. So that's the goal. Yeah, I will see y'all very soon. Thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoy these videos. Make sure you like, you thumbs up, and you subscribe. And stay tuned for more content. Stay tuned for more products. Stay tuned for more sales, more services. Just an extension of J. Nicole Custom. You get to experience through the screen if you don't get to physically experience it or personally experience it. You get to experience it here. Enjoy a little clip of my salon suite.